What up, y'all? Sweepy Love 22 here, back at you with another quick video. Okay, let's just jump right into my shower. Today I'm going to be using Carol's Daughter for the very first time ever in life, and as you can see, my hair is in desperate need of love and affection right now. In these clips, you just kind of see me looking at my hair, looking at where I'm at. I've actually been contemplating on doing a major cut because I feel like my hair is just not thriving and where it should be. But anyway, I'm just kind of showing you the length and where we are because we all know shrinkage is the mug. And here's actually a photo of what my hair looked like when I straightened it last, October 2019. But yeah, we got a lot of work to do, and I'm excited to use Carol's Daughter. So yeah, let's just jump right into it.
Hi, and welcome to my shower. Yes, I'm gonna be like those other YouTubers that allow you to see them in their most intimate moments as they comb through their buckshots. Let's get started. Okay guys, so my hair is in a must need for a wash. Although I did wash it about, I'm gonna say 9 days ago, 10 days ago now, but she needs another wash. I need to take better care of my hair. I have been really neglecting my hair this past year and a half. I haven't been moisturizing enough. I haven't been massaging my scalp enough. I haven't been washing enough. I've been using really crappy shampoos and conditioners. But you know, I told myself a couple months ago that I really need to stick to a regimen and get on it and like, let's do this, because I feel like my hair is not retaining the length or not, you know, it's not really doing anything that I wanted to do. But when I think about it, I ain't really been taking care of her, you know what I'm saying? So let's just do this. And what better time than while we on quarantine, and even after quarantine, I want to try to continue, well, not try, let's just do it. I want to continue this on even past the quarantine, taking better care of my hair, moisturizing more, and just, you know, taking better care. Because us 4C girls, well, anybody with hair on their head, they need to take care. But us 4C girls, we need to give it like extra love, because if we don't, sis. So let's just jump right into it. I will be using Carol's Daughter's, you guys see that? Carol's Daughter, the milk, almond milk shampoo and conditioner. I believe I am probably the last person in the African American community to ever use this product. I know I am like 10, 15 years late, I know, but better late than never, right? So we're just gonna try it on my hair, see how my coils love this product, because I've heard so many good things about it over the years, and let's just get into it. So I've sectioned my hair off in 4, as so many of us coilies do, because sis, sometimes when you just do it all at once, it's a mess. So let's just jump into this, okay? Let's just jump right in. I did two washes. I no longer do 3 shampoos because I feel like sometimes it can be drying for my hair. So I just did 2. But Carol's Daughter, I might have to have this as a regular in my bathroom. Like, yes. Let me go ahead and condition and see what we looking like. So my hair is kind of acting right, so I feel like I can actually wash the rest of my whole head without sectioning. We're gonna find out. Ooh, that's nice. We're about to find out. But yeah, when I went to shampoo a second time, I noticed my hair was really manageable. So I was like, well, let me just, you know, not section it off. Let me just try to, you know, actually wash the whole head, something that us 4C girls rarely do. But this product makes it manageable. So let me hold on. Yes ma'am. Okay, this product almost makes it feel like it might be doable to do a wash and go with this type of hair texture, which I kind of doubt, but it almost makes you feel like you could just wash and go. We might try that in the future. I don't know. We might try, but look, I got Go. This bathroom smelling good with defined coils. Oh my god, I really, really like it. Okay, so the ultimate test for me is if I can comb through this. Okay, sis? Like, if we can comb through it, then it really do what it do. Okay, so let me start with the back real quick. Go, wait, hold on, wait. Girl, we coming through with ease. Wait a minute. Oh, wait a minute, hold on. Let's get this out of the way. Wow, yo, I've been really bugging because I've been using really cheap conditioners. And you're detangling and combing through the conditioner when I've been using these other cheap products because I'm just trying to be cheap. I haven't been able to comb through my hair. Hold on, wait a minute. Boy, yeah. Girl, hold on. Oh my god, it's going through like butter, bitch. Oh my god, I've been playing myself. Okay, playing myself. So it don't matter really what you use as long as you're consistent. Girl, what lies was I telling myself? Oh my god. Girl, you saw how that 4C was behaving? Do you see how this 4C is behaving? Oh my god. Alright, so yeah, I'm gonna do what I usually do and put a bag over my head for about 20 minutes to an hour. Sometimes it's 24 hours, but I actually have something to do tomorrow morning, so I'm gonna just let it sit for maybe an hour and then I'll come back. But y'all, look at that girl, we combing through. Like, it's almost impossible to comb through 4C hair when it's wet, depending on conditioner. Go. I am shook. And we didn't even get that much shedding. Look, like normally, which is really bad, normally my shedding would be a whole lot. Like, look at this, y'all. Like, look, can y'all see that? Hold on, look, can y'all see that? That is only a little bit of shit, girl. We gonna have to invest in Miss Carol's Daughter regularly. I've been playing myself. Look, girl. I've been playing. It's official. Look, go, it's official. I've been playing. Let me stop playing. Okay, let me stop playing and invest in these coils. Oh, these coils. Okay, these coils. Oh my god. I wonder if she would act like this when I use her other product, the coiling smoothie or whatever. We're gonna find out, sis. We're gonna find out. Let me wrap this up and I'll be back, y'all. Okay guys, so I am back. I let the conditioner stay on my hair for about 2.5 hours. I actually tied it in a bag. You know how we do. We tied it like in a grocery store bag. I tied it down in the bag for about 2.5, almost 3 hours. I have since then rinsed out all the conditioner out. So this is where we at. Oh, before we get into this is all the shedding I had from the whole wash and conditioning process and detangling process, which isn't a lot. But I did, like I said, wash my hair about 10 days ago, so I guess that helps too. The more you wash, the less shedding you'll get, so I need to keep that in mind. When I don't feel like washing my hair, I have to remember to at least try to do this like once every 7 to 12 days or something like that, so that I can retain this length. So first reaction of the hair after washing and deep conditioning, this is like amazing. My hair is so soft, so manageable. It smells delightful. Like like it smells amazing. So what I'm gonna be doing is a braid out. I actually have not done a braid out on my hair in years, so this should be interesting to see. But it's just, I like this. It's very lightweight, like, ooh. Yes, girl. So I'll be using the Carol's Daughter Coil Enhancing Moisture Butter for curly and coily hair. I've heard great things about this product, so I'm really excited to see how it's going to work with this. This right here So let's just jump right into it.